ECAN Nepal, empowering students, elevating the profession. Established in 1997 under the Government of Nepal, the Educational Consultancy Association of Nepal, ECAN was founded with a clear vision to professionalize the abroad studies sector and protect the interests of Nepali students. For nearly 3 decades, ECAN has stood as the authoritative umbrella organization, promoting integrity, transparency, and excellence in educational counseling. From modest beginnings, ECAN has grown into Nepal's largest professional body in the education advisory sector. Today, with more than 713 active member consultancies, ECAN represents not just numbers, but credibility, professional acceptance, and public trust earned through consistent ethical practice. ECAN's presence extends nationwide through its branches in Jhapa, Kaski, Chitwan, Rupandehi, Lalitpur, Makwanpur, Kavrepalanchok, along with the Purvanchal and Sudur Paschim coordination committees. This wide network ensures that students across Nepal receive reliable, standardized, and world-class counseling services. In July 2023, leadership was entrusted to Mr. Shesh Raj Bhattrai, whose 2-year tenure marked a period of reform, digital transition, and strategic advancement. Under his leadership, ECAN strengthened governance, enhanced institutional coordination, and expanded its national footprint. A defining initiative of this tenure was the ECAN Educlave, a landmark platform that brought policymakers, educators, and stakeholders together to shape international education policies. Complementing this was the nationwide Faces of ECAN campaign, featuring a major television commercial with superstar Rajesh Hamal, which successfully redefined the public image of educational consultants. Policy advocacy remained central to ECAN's mission. Through active engagement with the Ministry of Education, ECAN worked to streamline the no objection certificate process, addressing regulatory challenges and safeguard student interests, reinforcing trust in the sector. ECAN also strengthened Nepal's international representation by participating in platforms such as the BIMSTEC Business Summit and collaborating with global partners including the British Council, PTE, ETS, and foreign embassies. These efforts elevated Nepal's credibility in the global education arena. Institutionally, ECAN expanded from 6 to 8 branches, improved financial transparency, promoted digital systems, and enhanced member capacity, laying a strong foundation for sustainable growth. Beyond professional advocacy, ECAN remained committed to social responsibility, contributing through initiatives such as library construction in Jazarkot and humanitarian support programs, demonstrating that ethical leadership extends beyond business. As the education sector continues to evolve, ECAN moves forward with a clear vision for reform, unity, and sustainable development. ECAN, empowering students, elevating the profession. Jai ECAN.